Welcome to this video tutorial on how to access the market price and weather information system. This is an innovative platform that provides market prices and weather updates through the WhatsApp and telephone calls. The service is available in English and 5 other local languages, which are Wolof, Mandinka, Fula, Jola, and Saraholen. To get started, visit the website www.matsakibaru.org. Once there, click on the MIS registration link at the top right corner of the page. A registration form will appear. Please fill in your details such as your name, your phone number, preferred crops, preferred language, and preferred markets. When you have completed the form, click the register button. Your account will be activated within 24 hours. After your account is activated, you can access the information through the WhatsApp. Add the MIS WhatsApp number, which is 730-4370 to your phone. Once you have added the number, send a simple hi or hello voice message. You will receive 2 voice messages in return, one with the latest market prices and another with the most up-to-date weather information. Additionally, you will be presented with a menu. If you want to receive specific market prices, reply with 1 to access prices per crop or reply with 2 to access prices per market. For more information, please call the support line 3695 000. This system is implemented by United Purpose and funded by Roots.